How to add pop-up text effect in TikTok video. Now first of all, I'll open TikTok, and let's say I want to add a post here. I'll simply select this option and I'll add, let's say I'll add, maybe I'll select videos and I'll select like this video, or maybe I'll add next. Now what I'll do is I'll add text here and I'll select here pop up text. So I'll select this and I'll select set duration. I'll select this duration according to, let's say, this thing. Okay, so as you can see that this is popping up again. I'll just click only to this option. Okay, you can see that text has been pop up. I will, let's say, make it more bold. So again you can see that pop-up text has been enabled. So this is how to do this.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.